Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zen Space app. First, download and install the Zen Space app from your preferred app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account, which typically takes less than 30 seconds. You can use an email address or a social media login for quick access. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean, intuitive dashboard. Then, set your very first focus goal, perhaps a 25-minute session, to start building your concentration habit. Now, let's dive into the core features. You can create custom Zen spaces for various tasks, like deep work or learning, each with unique settings. The app's powerful built-in timer helps you manage your focus sessions, typically set for 25 minutes by default. You have the flexibility to pause a session or extend it in 5-minute increments if you need more time. Additionally, explore the library of over 10 calming background sounds, such as gentle rain or soft chimes, to further enhance your concentration. Moving on to advanced customization, you can personalize your focus modes with specific durations, like 45 minutes of work followed by a 10-minute break. The app provides detailed statistics, showing your total focus time, number of completed sessions, and even your most productive days. Use these insights to set realistic daily or weekly focus goals, aiming for at least 3 focused hours per day. Zen Space also offers integration with popular calendar and task management tools, streamlining your workflow for maximum efficiency. To truly maximize your Zen Space experience, I recommend scheduling regular focus blocks into your daily routine, perhaps 2 to 3 dedicated sessions. Don't hesitate to experiment with the various background sounds and focus settings to find what works best for you. Make it a habit to review your progress reports weekly. This helps identify patterns and areas for improvement, potentially increasing your focus time by 20%. Finally, engage with the app's community features for extra motivation and to share your productivity journey with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.